bow actually indicates a respect for one another. The teacher and the students equally worthy of respect. So our subject is compassion. And I'd like to talk tonight about what I know of compassion, what I've learned from my teacher, Chogyam Trungpa, what I've learned from the meditation practices that I've done, what I've learned from just living my life about compassion. There's a lot of misunderstandings about compassion. I think people think of it, generally speaking, when you hear the word, it has a lot of very idealistic connotations. Maybe it reminds people of Hallmark cards. But my experience of compassion is that it has to do with our relationship with pain. That we learn true compassion as we begin to have a more open-hearted and open-minded relationship with our own pain. So there's various words that I would like to refer to in this talk, and one word is Maitri. Another word is mindfulness, awareness, meditation. And another is Tonglen meditation.